You're on the road, and sometimes you wake up and you don't even know where you are. Then you realize you're in a tournament, and every pro in the place is hitting on you, especially the old ones. They don't like it much when you tell them you don't know who they are. But there's an endless supply of them coming out of the woodwork. Every one of them wants to get their hands on you. Now this is where you start doubting yourself, doubting whether you want to play, doubting whether you want to be pretty, because it's just a lot of problems. Guys always arguing over you. They even do like a tag team match, where you knock out the second string and they send in the first string. The first string is the guy they think is going to win. He's the good-looking guy. The guy that everybody likes, except you. He's the guy that runs all the balls. But being a woman, you don't care about his balls. You care about his character and how he's going to treat you. But the fact is, with one touch, you know exactly how you feel. You know that you don't like him. But you make a mistake here. You stay. Just saying a few things is all right, but it doesn't work. You have to leave. And another mistake you make is you turn your back on him. This gives him a chance to come on strong. Of course, you can hit him, but that never stopped anybody. But now you're depressed. You feel really down. You feel really bad about yourself. But this is where nature takes over. Nature's going to help you. Nature's going to bring you back and give you power again. Every woman has this. And every woman uses it. It's called PMS. It's not pretty, but it sure works. It's not something you like, but when you have it, you can use it well. Sure, you'll try to fix your face a little, try to pretend you don't have it, but it doesn't seem to ever go away with that. One thing for sure, when you have it, nobody stands in your way. I mean, nobody. So don't worry. Nature takes over and fixes your problems. Just relax. Everything will be fine.